Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw frames in Miro. So let's say you want to create a frame. So what you want to do guys is look towards the left hand side and you will find a plus. In case you're not finding frames in the list, just use the plus, click on that, and you can search for frames, or you should find frames in the list or frame in the list. If you're not, you can simply type in frame and just click on that. Now, once you click on that, you will have all the options for frames, and you can set even your own custom frame for your own custom design. You can even set for desktop, tablet, mobile, let's say 16 by 9, which works for YouTube as well, YouTube videos, and so forth. So we're going to work with, for example, 16 by 9. So we click on that, and you can see it creates a frame for us. Now, from here, you can go ahead and you can even play around with the size, make it larger or whatever, right? So you can choose that as you wish. If it's too small, you can always use the zoom on the lower right to zoom to make it bigger, where you can see everything that you need to, right? So that's how you can easily do it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now from here, you can go ahead and work with the frame for your designs. Very easy and very simple.